Hello, welcome to the Sega Mega Drive ROM hacking course. To begin, we need to install IDA Pro and Sega Mega Drive tools for IDA at these locations. When you're trying to install the Mega Drive tools for IDA, you'll come across this file here, and you unpress it, and it'll show this. And inside here, these are the loaders and stuff which I talked about here. I've highlighted the directories that I installed it into. So see, that's what it is. So I've launched IDA and I've launched Genesis emulator. I've got the ANS Storm up here. So we do lots of things here. We can view the RAM. So this is all the RAM here. The flag registers and stuff. This is only on the Genesis 680. Launch. Storm again. Running. Try again. Running again. Try again. Try again. Right. Go again. This sound test for this one here. So I've got tools here. We've got the